Hey, Rocky, I have something to show you. What is it? Yes, Ryder? I did something new for your recycling truck. Take a look. Wow, this is very interesting. Thank you, Ryder. You're welcome. But do you want to see something cool? Okay. I found one of these earlier, and I found out that something new would happen to them. Oh, really? Now, now what? Press the button. Beep, beep. Wow, this is new. And now press the button. Beep, beep. Wow, some new tools. I could really use some new tools to use more. Thank you, Ryder. Now I can use these new tools for some projects I might be using. You're welcome.